Alright friends, now we have come to the abstract classes. So abstract classes are important but a bit harder to understand. An abstract class is like a blueprint for other classes. You can't create an object from it directly. Instead, it's designed to be inherited by other classes, which complete the unfinished parts. I mean, when you have multiple versions of something, it's better to define a general template using an abstract class. The specific behavior is then provided by each subclass. Okay, for example, how can I define subtract class? I just come here at the beginning, I say abstract. Here inside my abstract class, I can use either normal methods and abstract methods. So I come here, I say, I define, for example, what animal do? Animal communicate, for example, communicate. And then I come here, I say animals communicate. And when I want to use abstract methods, what I am doing? I come here, I say inside the abstract class, I'm using abstract method. I say void, and then, for example, what animals do? Animals communicate. Communicate. Alright. So, as you see, doc gives an error. The type doc must implement an inherited sub-abstract method in animals that communicate. So, when I define like that, what I need to do? I need to implement it. Let's implement it. I come here, I say public, void, communicate. And then I open my curly braces, I say dogs communicate by barking. Dogs communicate by barking. Alright. So let's implement another class. I can say class cat. And then I use animal class as a parent class. So that's why I use extend keyword, class cat, and then I write animal, and then I open my curly braces. You see, I got an error too. What I need to do? I need to implement the inherited abstract method here. So I come here, I copy this, and I paste here. Right now I say cats communicate by meowing, for example. I don't know the word. I say meowing, cats meow. As you see, I implement same method, but they behave differently. So when we need a system like this, when we need a system where shared features are defined once, but the custom behaviors are left for subclasses. When I need this, I use abstract class, and inside I define abstract method. So let's call it, for example, I come here and then I say cat. What's my cat name? Cat name can be John, and then I say new cat, and then I delete all. Let's call same method. First I use Alex dot communicate, I call it, and then John dot communicate. Alright, I open my terminal and then I say cd 93 abstract class, and then I compile first and then I run it. So you see, I call same method name, same abstract classes, they use inheritance, but the first one prints dogs communicate by barking, but the second one cats communicate by meowing. I hope you understand the differences. When we need something like that, we can use abstract class.